Hey guys, welcome to the video. Yesterday we started up the moped, took it for a spin. In the winter it was a cold start. Today it is now way colder, it's snowing outside. But we're going to be working on the XR70 that you can see right there. It's an ongoing project for us. A couple weeks ago we pulled the carb off. Absolutely filthy, so we bought a rebuild kit. I cleaned it out, rebuilt the carb, so it's running good now, but we had to re-spoke the wheel because a few of the spokes had broken on it. So we re-spoked it, and now we're ready to put it back on the bike. So I think we'll get right to it. So all the parts we need should be in this bag. We took them all off and put them in here. So we got, here's the brake. Here's the drum brake, you know, all the basic pieces for the rear wheel assembly. A little bit of force. That looks to be flush. Alright, now the brake's gonna go in. Way better. Alright. Here's the bolt. Here's the bolt. Here's the we got it all on. We actually need to get another chain tensioner. We actually had to use the other one on a little 50 that because one of them broke. So we only had on this side, so then we can just pop this nut off on this side and put the other one on when we get it. So yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. Wow, first try, both sockets. Alright, the back tire's on and it's time to finally pull it off its stand after all this time. There it is. Alright, all that's left to do is put the rear brake cable back on. Is right here. Just needs to be ran to right there. So I got the brake cable on. It was way more of a hassle than it should have been. But what matters is it's on. We're going to see how it runs and fire her up. So I'm like 90% sure the throttle cable is sticking. As you can see, there's a little bit of play and it's revving way too high, so throttle cable is stuck, so I'm gonna have to fix that, but that's something for another day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun. We got it done. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like it. Make sure you like this video if you like what I'm putting out. And then comment down below any suggestions you have for upcoming videos or topics you guys want me to talk about, or any projects you want me to do. So I'll see you guys next time.